555 Versatile. It's been a fantastic tractor. It's second owner. We've had a great run out of it. It's we've always kept the water filters up to the V8 Cummins, kept the services up, and yeah, it's been a very good, reliable old machine. Cheap horsepower, and just doesn't let you down. Tyres are probably, I don't know, 50%. I still haven't cleaned her up for the sale yet, but 5,000, just under 5,500 hours, or 6,500. Sorry, I couldn't see. Also got a Jenke air seeder, direct drill. It's a very good unit, 9-inch row spacings. A new set of harrows, only went on the last couple of years, and yeah, it's been a proven air seeder in the district. It's done a very good job for us. The Croplands Pinto toe behind boom spray. Got the walking beam suspension. It's 18 metres fully folded. Foam marker both sides. PTO pump. Yeah, it's been a good straight unit, and 2,000 litre tank. So it's not cleaned up, it's just parked in the shed. It'll be cleaned up before the sale. In the auction sale, the 1.5 Nissan forklift, side shift, petrol LPG. Yeah, it's not cleaned up because we're still using it, but it's a good little goer. 3,200 hours on it. It's a good little machine, but we've had to get we've got two other bigger forklifts because our new warehouse needs a higher lift than this girl. This one lifts to 3.6 metres high, but it's a good little straight fork. The CX90 McCormick. So in the working clothes, she's still helping with preparation for the sale. We bought it new, about 6 or 7 years old, and it's got 2,100 hours on it. Comes complete with a trimmer, front end loader, and a bucket, forks and hay forks. Very good straight machine. It's been a very good tractor for us. We mainly use it for just loading work, hay loading work, and never had a plough on it. Yeah, mainly hay loading work, and yeah, boom sprays. Spent most of the life on. Good quantity of new flat steel. We sold just as a job lot with the rack. The 12 kVA, I think it's 12.5 kVA diesel 4-cylinder generator, Chinese made. So done less than 20 hours work. It's 240 volt in 3-phase, so it's got both outlets. Electric start, of course. All the safety gear and gauges. about 3 years old, but we've only just used it as a standby generator and hard to use. We've got 2 Ford Louisville 8000s. Been used off-road. Yeah, the 2 Ford Louisvilles, they've both got V8 3208 cats. Allison Autos. Full S-cam brakes. They've been used off-road, as I said. We used them mainly for grain. We've got some hungry boards in the back there we'll take out and supply with the truck. They're both ex-Boral trucks. One's a bit rougher in the body. So it had a broken windscreen, but it's a really good old reliable truck. Doesn't use any oil, doesn't get hot, starts every time. The body's, outside the body's pretty rough, but she's been resheeted inside. So, yeah, good old off-road truck. You just hit the key and away she'll go. Battery would only be 12 months old. Got tubeless tyres all round on both of them. The yellow one's a lot straighter, fairly lot newer truck. They're both on Hendrickson suspension. They've both been rebushed reasonably recently, so they've got a fair bit of life left in them. This one would be able to be registered without too much work, but the first one's a off-road only job. So 2050 Acco, good old workhorse, but pretty rough in the body. She's got a very big tipping body on it. It's had a new floor, the old floor was cut out, new floor welded in. And yeah, again, full air brakes, air S-cams, and Hendrickson. Good straight chassis. Allison Auto. The hoist leaks a bit sometimes, and then it doesn't leak for ages, so probably needs a new set of seals in it. Allison Auto and a 210 Cummins in this old girl. We had an outer chassis rebuild in the Cummins around about 7 or 8 years ago. New sleeves, full kit. She's always run Tech 50 and the water filters up to her. So yeah, good old workhorse. Yeah, the cab's a bit rough. But a really good tipping body if someone's after a twin steer tipping body. A Shearer trash worker, 17 foot. You can take four tines off, 2 extensions on each side. Got new feet on it, and yeah, all the rams don't leak. She's in yeah, she's a good old player. Self-feeder. You can tow it around the paddock in good order. A210 case tow behind windrower. It's only 5 years old. It's 21 foot, just over 21 foot cut, and yeah, it's been an excellent machine. It suits someone after, you know, suit a new buyer really. Always been shedded, same as most of the main gear. Inverell Welding Works, Welding and Engineering Works grouper. It's a 2-ton capacity. It's got a divider, so the 2 sections, one for fertiliser, one for seed. We've never had fertiliser in it, we've only ever used it for seed. So that's new. Just pick it up with the forks on the front end loader, whack her on the trailer and you're away. It's got a canopy tartan there, goes with it. Morehouse gyro auger, good straight auger, never been bent or anything. It's got a new, it's got a Chinese 13 horsepower electric start. It's been on it for about 4 years. It's only been used as a standby auger. It's a good little handy auger. Couple of pencil augers. Little 1-ton super spreader.